Using Apple Cash in Canada. In this video, you're going to learn how to use Apple Cash in Canada. So let's get started. Apple Cash in Canada is a new feature which allows you to pay in messages. It is very easy payment option. So first you have to go to your mobile settings. In the mobile settings, you will see an option that says Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on this option and from here you will see an option that says Apple Cash. Set up this option by adding your card here, and after that you will be able to use it. After setting it up, you will use it while chatting to someone, or you can easily send money on Apple Cash. Or you can also add some money. If you don't have any money, you just have to tap on the card. You will see an option for add money into it. Just add some money into it. Afterwards, you can easily be able to do whatever you want to. That's all. That's how you will be able to use Apple Cash in Canada.